Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. Today we'll discuss the continuation part of my previous video, which is real numbers. This is part 5. For all my previous videos, check out the description below. And also who are on the first time on this channel, welcome to Lakshya tutorial. Here we will find not only 10th maths but also maths for 11th, 12th and also many tricks for competitive exams. Now let us start our session. Now let's start the first question. Expand the following. In this question, there are 5 sub questions. We'll solve each one of them carefully. Okay. Now let's start. The solution. The first one is log 1000. This 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Log 1000 can be written as 10 cube. And we know the property that log m power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a. So by using this property, this can be written as 3 log 10 to the base 10. You know that log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So the 3. So it is 3. So therefore log 1000 is 3. Now the second question. Which is log 128 by 625. And we know the property that log m by n to the base a can be written as log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. That is, this can log 128 can be written as 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of 7 minus this 625 can be written as 5 to the power of 4. So we know the property that log a to the base log m power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a. So these both terms can be written as 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5, and this is the answer for the first two questions. Now let's start the third question. This is log x square y cube z power 4, and we know the property that log a b c can be written as log a plus log b plus log c. So this can be splitted as log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. And we know other property that log m power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a. So we use these two properties in this question and solved it. And this can be written by using this property as 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. And this is the expansion for third question. Now the fourth question, here it is log p square q cube by r. These both can be splitted by using the property log a into b, which can be written as log a plus b log a plus log b, and this property can be used as log a by b, which can be written as log a minus log b. So by using this both properties, this will split up as log p square plus log q cube minus log r. And by using the other property, which is very familiar, log m to the power log m to the base log m power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a. So by using the property, it becomes log 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. And this is the fourth question. Now the fifth question is log under root x cube by y square. Here which we can write it as log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. And by using the very familiar property. Log m power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a, and here it splits as 1 by 2 log x cube by y square, and this can be written as 1 by 2 log x cube minus log y square. Now these are the solution for the 5 questions. If you want to note it down, pause the video and note it down. Now let's start the next question. Now here is the second question. If x square plus y square is equals to 25x, then prove that 2 log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. The same model I have solved in my previous video. If you want to check it out, check in the description box. So given, we have to prove from this 2 log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now this can be written as log x plus y whole square, which is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. And here this step belongs to, this symbol represents the belongs, log n to the base to log n log m to the base a can be written as log m power n to the base a. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy, 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. From the question, x square plus y square is 25xy. So we are going to substitute x square plus y square value as 25xy. So here it is 25xy plus 2xy, which is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So this can be written as 25 plus 2, 25xy plus 2xy gives us 27xy. That is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. And this can be written as log 27 plus log x plus log y equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So here we have used the property log a b c can be written as log a plus log b plus log c. So this now 27 can be written as 3 cube. So 3 cube plus log x plus log y, that equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now here it becomes 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here we have got the RHS, which belongs to the log m power n to the base a can be written as n log m to the base a. So therefore we got LHS equals to RHS. So therefore hence proved. And this is the solution for second one. Now the third question goes like this. If log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Now the solution is, given log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Before solving this exercise, be sure that you are very confident with the formulas. So 1 by 2 taking to RHS side, do log x by y plus 3 equals to log x plus log y. So this can be written as log x plus y by 3 whole square is equals to log x plus log y. This property belongs to log n log n log m to the base a can be written as log m power n to the base a. So here it becomes log x plus y whole square by 3 square, that equals to log xy log xy. So we have used the formula here. Log a plus b can be written as log ab. And now squaring, now remove log on both sides. We are left with x plus y whole square by 3 square is 9 and xy. So x square plus y square plus 2xy by 9 is equals to xy. So here it is x square plus y square plus 2xy, that equals to 9 taking to RHS side gives us 9xy. So here 9x square plus y square, 9 taking to the RHS side, x square, sorry, we have to take plus 2xy to the RHS side, which is 9 minus 2xy, 9xy minus 2xy, which is 7xy. Now to obtain this obtain xy in the terms of x by y plus y by x, we have to divide the RHS and LHS with xy. So x square by xy plus y square by xy, that equals to 7xy. X square and x gets cancelled, y square and y gets cancelled, xy gets cancelled. So therefore x by y plus y by x is equals to 7, and this is the solution. The value of x by y plus y by x is equals to 7, and this is the solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and share it with the people around you. And don't forget to click on the like button, as it boosts my motivation to make more and more videos. Thank you.